Hey bitsCrunch fan! This video is about how we review the proposals for entity metadata that are submitted. Let's start with the first proposal. Entity name is WASRIX. The mentioned category here is exchange, which is correct. With a suitable description. Checking on the website URL. It redirects to the official WASRIX website. So it is correct. Next, checking the Twitter URL. It takes us to the official Twitter handle of WASRIX. So the Twitter URL is correct. Then the LinkedIn URL is redirecting us to the official LinkedIn page of WASRIX. So LinkedIn URL is also correct. Checking on the Instagram link given. It takes us to the official Instagram account of WASRIX. So it is correct. Since all the given entries are correct. So we accept this proposal and submit the review. Coming to the next proposal. The entity name is Engine and category is given as others, as it comes under NFT marketplace as it is not available in the drop-down. It is correct. And a suitable description is given. Then the image URL is checked, which is correct image of the engine. Next, checking on the website URL. It redirects us to Engine's official website. It is correct. The Twitter URL redirects us to the official Twitter handle of Engine. So it is correct. And the LinkedIn URL takes us to the official LinkedIn page of Engine. It is also correct. Since all the given entries are correct. So we accept this proposal and submit the review. Coming to the next proposal. The entity name is the graph and the category is given as exchange. But graph doesn't comes under exchange. So it is incorrect category. And a description is given. Checking on the image URL, it takes us to the image of graph. So it is correct. Checking on the website URL, it redirects us to the official website of graph. It is correct. Checking on the Twitter URL. It shows that account does not exist. So it is wrong. Checking on the LinkedIn URL. It is also not available. So the proposal is rejected, stating wrong data provided, and it is submitted. Coming to the next proposal. The entity name is Oxygen Pro and the category is given as DEX. But the entity name is wrong, as it is Oxygen Protocol and it does not come under DEX category. And a description is given, which is good. Checking on the website URL. It redirects us to the official Twitter page of the entity. So the website URL is incorrect. Checking on the Instagram URL. It redirects us to the official Twitter page of the entity. It is also wrong. So the proposal is rejected, stating wrong data provided, and it is submitted. I hope you get an idea of how we review the entity metadata proposal. Happy contributing!